Hey little stars, ready to count with me in Pashto? Let's go with fun rhyme and magic words.
One, say ya. In Pashto we say ya, that's one. In Urdu, it's ek, come join the fun. Two, count with dwa.
Pashto says dwa.
We're on number 2. In Urdu, you're learning too. Three, clap for Dre.
Pashto says dre,
That's 3, yay! In Urdu, teen, we're on our way. 4 is fun, it's Silor. Pashto word,
Silor, say more.
in Urdu, char, let's count some more. 5 is cool, it's Pinza. Pashto says Pinza with a smile.
Urdu.
Punch, we're on style.
6 is shpag.
Jump up high.
Shpag, reach for the sky. Urdu.
9